Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick step-by-step video, I'll show you exactly how to sell stocks on Robinhood in 2025, whether you're cashing out gains or rebalancing your portfolio. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app and log in. Make sure your app is updated and you're signed into your account. Step 2. Go to your Investing or Portfolio tab. Tap the icon at the bottom to view all the stocks you currently own. Step 3. Select the stock you want to sell. Scroll through your list and tap on the stock you want to sell. This opens its detailed view. Step 4. Tap Trade, then Sell. In the bottom right corner, hit the Trade button, then select Sell from the options. Step 5. Enter the number of shares. Type in how many shares you want to sell. You can also tap Sell All if you want to fully close your position. Step 6. Choose your order type. Robinhood offers different order types: market, limit, and stop. For beginners, a market order sells your shares at the best current price. Want more control? Use a limit order to set your minimum sell price. Step 7. Review and swipe to submit. Double check everything, then swipe up to confirm the sale. You'll get a notification once the trade is executed. Note: market hours matter. Orders placed after hours won't go through until the next trading day. That's it. You've now sold your stock on Robinhood like a pro in 2025. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy financial tutorials. Thanks for watching.